We are now in the Chokit area, so we have arranged here and we stumbled upon this restaurant. And after that, we will go to Bukit Bintang area and we will see the Jalan Alor street food. It is one of the most popular streets of Kuala Lumpur and also the commercial area. There's so many people here, but it's really beautiful.
We ordered three meals.
It looks fantastic.
This one is daging rendang. This one is ayam rendang. This one is nasi lemak biasa. For that, and for me. So delicious, and now we are going to look for a dessert. Where is the sandal? You found the sandal.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's open because there's nobody.
We climb ever higher, strive to catch the moon. No fear of falling down, for later must be soon. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners. And so we go, we're all runners. Oh.
Hello. Can we have 5 pieces? Thank you. Terima kasih. Hello. How much for 1 kilo? 30 ringgit 1 kilo for this.
Try. Yeah.
rice and then you cook.
Yeah.
And then it smells good. What is called this?
Daun ketupat.
Daun ketupat. Okay. How much for one? 10 ringgit for one. Okay. Thank you so much. Terima kasih.
I'm sitting up in my lonely bed, wondering what I just said to you. I'm holding back the tide of waterfall. A single drip could make it all come down. I'm reaching up for you, higher and higher, higher.
You can smell the banana leaf and this is pandan too,
Yeah, pandan.
and coconut.
Standing by the bed of night and day. Don't know where I've been.
There is something here in Malaysia we don't really understand. It's about the red light for the car and the green light for the pedestrian like us. Sometimes it never came. We don't understand why. So maybe if someone can explain to us if it's normal, like we wait for ages to cross and sometimes we have to cross even though it's not green.
I'm sitting up in my lonely bed, wondering what I just said to you. I'm holding back the tide of waterfall. A single drip can make it all come down. I'm reaching out for you, higher and higher, higher.
Stand clear. Doors closing.
Yes, so here behind me is Jalan Alor. It is one of the most popular streets of Kuala Lumpur.
Every time you need me,
And as you can see, there is many kind of restaurants, Vietnamese, Thai, Malaysian, Chinese I think also. Very many people today.
walking in your garden, knowing what you're dreaming of.
But now we are going to eat to another place.
Of everyone you've ever loved. Lower down the bridge and let me in.
after dinner, we will walk around Bukit area and visit the shopping malls.
We were young and we were free and running.
There's so many people here. This is kind of difficult to circulate. But it's really beautiful.
Every glass I'm drinking. We're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always driving next to you. Oh, I got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
But you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds go in our favorite places. You were young and
Oh, I got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you.
Which one you prefer?
Guiding my way before. Pouring like a waterfall.
Which one? Maybe this one you prefer? Ah, it's beautiful. I prefer this one. Beautiful coloring.
Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my
Many people today. And